What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best pizza stone for grill of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below, which is updated for the best prices? Like the video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Hans Pizza Stone for Grill. This pizza stone is an amazing buy if you want a crunchy pizza. Although all picks on our top make crispy pizzas, this pizza stone appears to perform better. At least, we've seen fewer people complain about the lack of crispness with this particular pizza stone. Seemingly made from ceramic, the Hans Grill Pizza Stone also does a good job of resisting temperatures and can be safely used with a gas grill. Thanks to its rectangular shape, this pizza stone is awesome for baking 2 smaller pizzas. You can also bake 1 large pizza on it, but not as large as with our previous picks. Given the size of this thing, 15 by 12 inches, 12-inch pizzas are the most you'll be able to bake on it. As a nice bonus, Hans Grill includes a wooden pizza peel board with this pizza stone. The peel board is pretty convenient, but you can definitely find better boards out there. In terms of odor, you are extremely unlikely to encounter any in this pizza stone. Some people have complained about it, but not nearly as many as with our previous picks. Pros: great for baking more than 1 pizza. Includes a pizza stone and a pizza peel board. Achieves a wonderful crust. Cons: expensive. Number 2. Lodge Pizza Stone for Grill. Lodge's pre-seasoned cast iron baking pan isn't technically a pizza stone, though you can use it to whip up a homemade pie quickly. Our testers weren't overwhelmingly impressed with how this pan cooks pizza, but they were surprised with how well it prepares and grills other foods like steak and vegetables, similar to a plancha. We recommend this option to the home cook who is interested in a multifunctional kitchen tool. The pan offers even temperature distribution, but it doesn't retain heat as well as some of the other stones, so the dough crust isn't as
I was
crispy
going to
as
use
it
the
could be.
batter that I usually do.
It
I
performs
didn't
less
have
like a
enough
product designed for pizza
here you
and
can
more
see
like a
one
cast iron pan in the shape of a pizza stone. It does get bonus ease of use points for the handles and naturally non-stick surface. Pros: you can use this versatile pan to cook pizza, steak, and veggies.
And
Cons:
it's,
this pan
it's
doesn't
doing great
retain
with
heat as
the,
well as some
Lodge
of the other
14-inch
pizza stones on our
pizza pan.
list.
We got another one here as
Number
well.
3. Cuisinart Pizza Stone for Grill. The Cuisinart CPS 445 is made of food-safe cordierite and can be used in the oven, on the gas or charcoal grill, and on the electric grill. The set includes a 13-inch pizza stone, pizza peel, and pizza cutter. You can bake pizza as well as bread and rolls till they turn crispy on the pizza stone. To bake crispy pizza or rolls with the pizza stone, it is important to preheat the stone in the oven to the appropriate temperature. With a heating power of 250 degrees Celsius, you need about 45 minutes to get the right temperature for pizza baking. With a heating power of 300 degrees, it takes about 30 minutes for the stone to reach the right temperature. If the oven and pizza stone are preheated, you can use the pizza shovel to push the pizza into the oven and place it on the stone. Cordierite has very good heat storage properties, which means that the heat from the stone is transferred directly to the pizza dough. The heat removes excess liquid from the baked goods, ensuring that the pizza becomes crispy while remaining juicy. By using the pizza stone, the baking time of the pizza is immensely shortened compared to conventional baking in the oven. Pros: the pizza stone is heat-resistant up to a temperature of 800 degrees. With the compact dimensions of 13 by 0.4 inches, the pizza stone can also be stowed away in the cupboard. Cons: the included pizza cutter is flimsy. Number 4. Heritage Pizza Stone for Grill. The Heritage Pizza Stone is available in a round shape with a diameter of 15.8 inches. The pizza stone is 2.5 inches thick and weighs 3.15 pounds. Compared to other pizza stones, this one is relatively light and thin. Nevertheless, the manufacturer promises you crispy pizzas, bread, rolls, and tart flambe. Before baking, you can heat the pizza stone at the maximum temperature for 45 minutes. The pizza brick stores the heat for about 30 minutes so that you can bake some pizzas or bread. A pizza takes about 5 minutes to finish baking. The baking stone can be used in all commercially available ovens and grills. The stone can withstand temperatures of up to 800 degrees Celsius. The underside of the pizza stone is slightly grooved to ensure an ideal hold on the grillage or oven rack. The round pizza stone is one of the cheapest pizza stones in this review. Pros: the material of the Heritage Pizza Stone is food-safe ceramic, which helps store the heat. We like the fact a slicer is included. Cons: the only problem with the stone is shipment, the packaging is poor and many stones come chipped. You'd have to spend some time on returning and reordering the item if you are unlucky. Number 5. Cast Elegance Pizza Stone for Grill. This round pizza stone from Cast Elegance is a little pricier than the PizzaCraft stone, but it might be able to deliver better pizza-making results. This pizza stone is made with thermorite, which is engineered tough cordierite. This is a food-safe material that appears to absorb moisture from the pizza better than other pizza stones, allowing for that delicious crispy crust. Thermorite is also designed not to emit odors, and most people indeed have encountered no stink. Some buyers haven't been as lucky though and had to use the stone a few times for the odor to disappear. The Cast Elegance pizza stone is available in 2 sizes, 14 and 16 inches. If you aren't going to make huge pizzas, then the 14-inch stone should be fine. It's cheaper than the 16-inch stone too, so it's probably going to be a better buy for most people. Notably, each stone comes with use and care instructions, a free recipe ebook, a nice bonus for beginners, and a 4x5 scraper. So for its price, the Cast Elegance Pizza Stone offers pretty good value. Pros: available in 2 sizes. Includes a free recipe ebook and a scraper. Strong and durable thermorite material. FDA food safe. Cons: may require a few uses for the odor to go away. Rather pricey. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.